Diwali week, and today I am here with the November edition of the GlamEgo box, which is particularly made for the Diwali occasion. Since this was the Diwali month, the box also got a festive makeover. On the cover there's this beautiful lady all decked up for Diwali. The overall print is also very pretty. Now if you're watching this video for the first time, let me tell you guys, GlamEgo is India's leading beauty subscription box. There are various plans which you can opt for, and the ranges start from as low as rupees 299 per month. So the process is very simple. You sign up, you pay for the plan that you choose, and then you get 4 to 5 products worth much more than you have paid at your doorstep at the beginning of each month. For more information, you can check out this video's description box. I will mention all the links that I find useful there. So this month there's a very interesting thing. So you need to share 5 facts about yourself and 5 facts about GlamEgo that is written down here, and you may be the lucky one to get beauty products worth rupees 10,000 absolutely free. So coming to 5 facts about myself, which many of you won't be knowing. First, I'm a Bengali, but I'm neither very fond of fishes nor do I have fish regularly. So the next time you meet, please don't use the typical mach khabo or anything like that. I am not into fishes. Second, I don't get bored. Yes. You can put me in a room, like an absolutely empty room all by myself for hours on end, and I still won't get bored. It's just not there in my blood. I don't get bored in any situation whatsoever. Third, I'm shit scared of ghosts. So I know that they don't exist and these are like fake stuff, but when I was a kid, I used to watch these horror shows, Ahat, Mano Yana Mano, Fear Files and those things. Those things got imprinted in my mind, and now I'm like shit scared of darkness or being alone or something like that. Fourth, whenever I sleep, I cover myself up. Yes, let it be summer, monsoon, winter, well, everybody does, but for me the season doesn't matter. I have to have a cover on myself. So the thickness of the cover varies with the season obviously, but still I need my cover. And last but not the least, I forget to eat. Yes, now if I'm deeply immersed into something that I'm doing, I don't know, but my hunger sense just fails. I don't get hungry, or I don't get the sensation for a long period of time. When I will come out of that phase, like my job is done, I'm coming out, then I'll realize, oh, I haven't eaten for so long. So that's another crazy fact about me. Now coming to 5 facts about GlamEgo. First is that they have 100% original products. Second, the products are directly procured from the premium and luxury brands. That is the reason why they can give it at a low rate. Third, these include the products that you can use on a regular basis. Fourth, there are millions and millions of happy and satisfied customers all over India. And last, but the most important one, you get more than 4 times of what you are paying for the box. And now that we are done with the facts, let's dive into our box. Okay, so I see a familiar face here, not face, a familiar product here. It's the Seisha Mud Hairs bucket. This was there also in another of their box which I have already used. It's like for one-time use. So first you'll find this leaflet containing instruction of how you should use them and also some safety precautions. And the order in which you should apply is the shampoo, then you should apply this mask, and lastly this hair serum. So mud mask is generally great for people with oily scalp because the mud extracts or pulls the oils, leaves your scalp fresh, clean, and if your scalp is good and clean, it will be definitely beneficial for your hair. So this comes for rupees 99. Next we have this body mist from Bio and Blue. This is in the fragrance Water Lily and it smells amazing. If you are someone who likes floral fragrances, you are definitely going to like this. And this is all natural. I'll tell you the ingredients: distilled water, glycerin, aloe vera, witch hazel, polysorbate, glycolic acid, ethyl hexyl glycerin, water lily essential oil fragrance. So these are free from parabens, formaldehyde. So if you are somebody who like natural products, you should definitely try this, and this retails for rupees 450. Next, I am coming to a very interesting product. This is the activated charcoal powder for natural teeth whitening. Now coming to the ingredients of this, you have 97% activated charcoal that is called Babul Masi, 1% pudina, and the remaining is excipients. Okay. I have seen on the net many people trying out this charcoal powders, and I myself tried this out today morning. Take a look. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up and I'm going to try the charcoal powder as a teeth whitener or as my toothpaste today. So here's my charcoal powder, and the instruction on it is to like wet your brush and dip that wet brush into the charcoal powder. I think I have enough, and now let me brush with it. So I don't see any stark difference between this and like my normal toothpaste. And also the thing with this is that there's some black particles that stuck in between your teeth. So I'd suggest you to do this when you're at home and not rushing out somewhere. But I think this will be helpful in the long run, so I'll definitely try this out. And this was for rupees 300. So coming to our last full-size product, this is a Bella Voste Ultimate Liquid Lipstick. This has a volume of 3.7 ml, and this is in the shade 06, which is Wild Child. So I wanted to try this out in front of you guys, so I haven't worn anything on my lips today. So let's watch it. So this is how it looks on my lips. Now these are the Ultimate lipsticks. They are very comfortable matte. It is not drying out my lips, but when you apply it, it's creamy. So you give it some time, it sets into this very matte texture. And let me show you guys. It's completely transfer proof and kiss proof once it completely dries down. As per the color, you will get a choice, so you can select anything you want. This was for rupees 5.99. Now coming to the last product, which is a sample size product. This is like body lotion from Palmer's. It is the cocoa butter formula. It smells of cocoa butter. Yeah, it smells delicious and it's also very thick on the skin. I have already tried it out and I really like it because it does provide the moisture which you require during winter. So these are all the products that you get in this month's GlamEgo box. So you paid rupees 2.99 and you get products worth rupees around 1400. So it is more than 4 times of the amount that you're paying. It is totally worth it, guys. If you really want to try out a subscription box, go ahead and try this one out. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.